Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Now, in a previous video I reviewed this 3/8 socket set from Wera that I'd planned to utilise alongside my Veto Pro Pack MB bags that I carry insulation testers and the like in. These 3/8 socket sets don't come with Velcro on the back in the same manner that a lot of the other cases do in the Vera to Go series. So what I did is I got some Velcro from Amazon and I've stuck that onto the back of this 3/8 socket set. Seems to have stuck at the moment, it's not too bad, and that's solved getting one half of the Velcro onto the Vera case. So to be able to use the socket set with either of these MB bags from Veto, I made up some plates that I could stick the opposite side of the Velcro onto. I believe this is the hook side. I think it's the loops that's stuck onto the back of the Vera cases, and this is the hooks that I've stuck onto the plates here. I made this one first for use with the little MB bag, and then I made this one for use with the MB2 bag. This one I made up out of, I think it's 1/8 plywood on this, and I've attached this little bar at the back here to slide into the belt hook on the MB bag, so, and then this does move around an awful lot, so in case it comes off, I created some little webbing straps with some D-loops in there that can hook onto the handle, and then that's that plate attached to the back of this. And this hook side here is from the Amazon pack. It's very poor in comparison to the hooks that come with the Vera to Go cases. I'll see if I can get a picture up to show the difference between these two. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it on a camera, but the intention is, now that I've got that there, I can hook this onto here and I can carry the cases around with my meter in this bag, and then some tools velcroed onto the back on this plate and held in place in that manner. As I said, this is quite a bit weaker. This, you can see, it will fall off, so I need to redo this one, but I might redo this complete plate in a similar manner to I've made up the MB2 bag, because that's working an awful lot better. So in the MB2 bag, and this does have the metal belt clip on the back here instead of the plastic one that you see on the MB bag there. I've made this out of thicker plywood. This is 1/4 inch plywood, I believe, and again I've put the webbing and the loops in there to add some extra support, but I've sized this to fit inside the belt clip on the bag, so you can push that into there. It's a bit more awkward to get it on because it's a lot tighter fit, but I did put the clips on there, but you can see that that is a lot more sturdier on the back here. So once I've got the plate installed on the back of the bag, I can then attach any of these bags to the case as such and carry it around along with the MB2 bag there. That's the 3/8 socket set, and you can see, unlike the other one, it's now stuck a lot better onto the plate than when I was using the Velcro from Amazon. So that definitely worth looking at on that MB bag. Alternative, I could put my screwdriver set on there and then a little 1/4 inch socket set there, and you carry them around like that. That also works. Alternatively, you've got the maintenance kit from Vera, which has got spanners and socket set and screwdrivers combined kit, and that there you see has now come up to the kind of the bottom of the handle, so this is about the maximum length of Wera to go pack you can get on it before it starts to interfere with the handle. But that stays on there quite nicely. And finally, if that wasn't enough, I do have a 1/2 inch socket set. I use this more on HV equipment, so it's not likely to be married with this. But you can see, I'll put them on there, and you can see that he stays stuck as well. And he's a little bit risky, that one is. That could well come off. So yeah, as I say, it seems to be working quite well on the MB2 bag. But on the MB bag here, I think this plate needs a bit of work. I definitely need to change out the Velcro on the back of this, but what I might do is actually make this a thicker plate in a similar style to this one that sits in the clasp fully. But to do that, I think I'll probably need getting up to 1/2 inch plywood to cover the whole of that clasp, or 2 sections of 1/4 or something like that. So yeah, pretty happy with the result for the MB2 bag. As I say, I think I've got to do a bit more work for the plate here on the MB bag and probably remake that and see if I can get that to function a bit better, because that was the original intention with the Mega MIT 420 in this bag and the 3/8 socket set. And then I just did this one to see how well it would work with a different style. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you again in the next video.